With all the traffic and the hassle of commuting every day, going to work can feel like a drag. But the good news is that in today's digital age, a variety of opportunities have shifted online. Now, you can work comfortably from home and set your own hours. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to 9 work-from-home jobs for teenagers with no experience in 2024. From writing assignments that can earn you $100 in one sitting, to tasks that pay you 0.10 to 0.30 for simply liking a post or watching a video, there's something here for everyone. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Work from home, job. Number 1, Textbroker.com. Textbroker.com is a platform that connects freelance writers with clients in need of content creation services. As a writer on Textbroker, you can earn up to 5.5 cents per word based on the quality of your work, which can amount to a substantial hourly wage depending on your speed and quality of writing. To start earning money on Textbroker, visit textbroker.com and register as an author. You will need to submit a writing sample to showcase your abilities and receive a star rating ranging from 2 to 5 stars. This rating determines your earnings per word. Once your account is set up, browse available writing assignments in the Orders section. Choose projects that align with your interests and expertise, paying close attention to the client's requirements. Complete the assignment and submit your work through the platform for review. Upon approval, you will receive payment according to your rating and the word count. To help you write quality content quickly and efficiently, there are tools like SEO Writing AI and Jasper AI that can assist you in crafting human-like text. These tools provide valuable resources and tips to enhance your writing skills and productivity. You can find the links in the description below. Now, let's move on to the next work-from-home opportunity, TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit is a platform that allows you to offer various services to people in your local area. Whether you're skilled in assembling furniture, cleaning, gardening, or running errands, you can list your services on TaskRabbit and get hired for various tasks. To start earning money on TaskRabbit, visit TaskRabbit.com and create a Tasker account. You'll need to provide information about your skills and services you can offer. Once your profile is set up, potential clients can find you and hire you for specific tasks. Your earnings will vary depending on the services you provide and the tasks you complete. TaskRabbit's platform typically lists hourly rates for different types of services, which can range from $50 to $200 per hour based on your expertise and the demand for your services. For our third work-from-home job, we have work-from-home job number 3, SEMRUSH affiliate program. SEMRUSH is a leading SEO and marketing tool that helps businesses improve their online visibility and digital marketing strategies. By becoming an affiliate for SEMRUSH, you can earn commissions by referring paying customers to the platform. For every person you refer who signs up for a paid SEMRUSH account, you will earn a commission of $200. To begin, visit SEMRUSH's affiliate program page, company, partners, and sign up as an affiliate. After registration, you will receive a unique affiliate link. Promote SEMRUSH using your link through social media, blogs, email campaigns, or other marketing channels. When someone uses your link to sign up and becomes a paying customer, you will earn your commission. Let's move on to another exciting work-from-home opportunity. Work-from-home job number 4, Respondent.io. Respondent.io is a platform that connects companies with individuals for market research studies. Companies pay participants for sharing their insights, opinions, and experiences on various products and services. Depending on your background and the type of study, you can earn between $150 and $750 per hour. Software developers may earn around $200 per hour, while enterprise software users can earn up to $750 per hour. Create your profile by providing details about your skills, interests, and professional background. Once your profile is complete, browse the available projects and apply for those that match your expertise. If you are selected for a project, you will receive instructions on how to participate, which might include surveys, interviews, or product testing. Upon completing a project, you will be paid according to the project's terms. SerpClix. SerpClix.com is a platform that pays you to search for specific keywords and click on certain websites in the search results. Companies use SerpClix to improve their search engine rankings by having more people search for their website and click on their links. For each search and click you perform, you can earn between $0.05 and $0.10. The payout minimum is just $5, and payments are made through PayPal. This job is easy to start. Just create an account and begin searching and clicking on the specified keywords, and scroll to the bottom of the page to find the Become a Clicker link. By signing up as a clicker, you can earn a minimum of 5 to 10 cents per click. Once you join, SerpClix provides you with instructions on which keywords to search for and which links to click on. After completing the tasks, your earnings will be credited to your account. You can cash out your earnings once you reach a $5 threshold, and payments are made via PayPal. SerpClix offers a straightforward and easy way to earn extra income from home by simply searching for specific terms and clicking on the provided links. Work from home. Job. 6. Univox Community. Univox Community is an online platform where you can earn rewards by completing various tasks such as surveys, offers, and engaging with advertisements. This job is ideal for those looking to earn some extra money during their spare time from home without needing any prior experience or expertise. Univoxcommunity.com and create an account. When you first sign up, you may receive a small incentive of around $2 just for joining the community. Once you have set up your account, you can begin participating in surveys and offers available on the platform. As you complete surveys and offers, you earn points that you can exchange for cash or other rewards. Keep in mind that this opportunity might not provide a substantial income, but it is an excellent way to earn a little extra money during idle moments, such as waiting in line or during breaks in your daily schedule. The next work-from-home job is UserCrowd. UserCrowd is an online platform that pays you for providing feedback on various products, websites, and designs. Companies use your honest opinions to improve their offerings and create better user experiences. To get started, visit usercrowd.com, http://www.usercrowd.com, and sign up as a tester. The registration process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Once your account is set up, you'll start receiving invitations to participate in surveys and design feedback sessions. As a tester, you'll offer your opinion on different designs, websites, or products, and in return, you will earn rewards or cash. Each feedback session is relatively short, and while the pay per session isn't high, it provides a convenient way to earn extra income from home in your spare time. UserCrowd is an accessible and easy way to contribute to product improvement while making some extra money. The next work-from-home job is Listverse. Listverse is a website that publishes unique top 10 lists and articles on various topics, including strange facts, history, science, and entertainment. As a contributor for Listverse, you can earn $100 per accepted article, typically ranging from 1,000 to 2,000 words. To begin, visit listverse.com and navigate to the Write and Get Paid section. There you'll find guidelines and instructions for submitting your top 10 list article or unique list-style content. Make sure your submission is well-researched, engaging, and informative. Listverse values quality and originality in its articles. Once your article is accepted, you will receive payment for your work. This opportunity is perfect for creative writers who enjoy crafting engaging content on a wide range of topics. The final work-from-home job is work-from-home job. Number 9, Microworkers. Microworkers.com is a platform that connects you with micro-jobs that require just a few minutes of your time. The tasks available on the platform include activities like liking social media posts, watching videos, searching for specific terms on Google, and more. The earnings for each task may vary, typically ranging from a few cents to a couple of dollars per task. For example, you could earn around $0.10 to $0.30 for tasks such as liking a post or watching a video. Since the tasks are quick to complete, you can take on several within an hour and potentially earn a decent hourly wage. To start earning, visit microworkers.com. Once your account is set up, you can browse through the available tasks listed on the platform. Each task specifies the action required and the payment you will receive upon completion, which can range from a few cents to a few dollars depending on the complexity of the task. As you complete tasks, your earnings accumulate in your account. Once you reach a certain withdrawal threshold, you can cash out your earnings through various payment options such as PayPal. While the pay per task is modest, you can complete many tasks in a short period, making it a convenient way to earn extra money during your spare time. Thank you for watching this video on earning money from home in 2024 with these 9 jobs for teenagers. I hope you found these opportunities helpful and inspiring. If you did, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. We'd love to hear from you. Let us know in the comments below which work-from-home job you found most interesting or which one you'd like to try out. Your feedback and insights are always valuable to us. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, dream big, hustle harder,